Simple, effortless, and accessible are not words typically associated with perfectly painted nails. This, on the other hand, is something we're all too familiar with. But what if you could get a flawless manicure at home, on your schedule, and without having to lift a finger? It's not a hypothetical question. It's Nimble, the first ever smart device to flawlessly paint and fully dry your nails. Nimble provides salon quality nails from the comfort of your home. With the simple press of a button, Nimble scans the size, shape, and curve of each individual nail, calculating the exact amount of polish needed for your manicure. When it's time to paint, Nimble's ergonomic handle gently supports your hand, while a tiny robotic arm seamlessly applies the polish. Each nail gets a base coat, 2 layers of color, and a top coat, 4 layers of long-lasting polish. An airflow system is activated between each coat to simultaneously paint and dry your nails. Your nails come out completely dry, so there's no risk of smearing or smudging. Nimble uses healthy, high-quality polishes that both protect and strengthen your nails. All Nimble polishes are non-toxic, 13-free, cruelty-free, and are easily removed with regular polish remover. Whether you're looking for pops of color, classics, or nudes, Nimble has them all. Our ever-evolving collection of vibrant shades is updated seasonally to suit any mood, any look, and any occasion. Life doesn't have to slow down for beauty, and neither should you. Join us and help bring Nimble to life.